Hello students, welcome to my channel Study Assist. As you see, we are going to discuss about transport system in plants. So students, do you know what is transport system? You must be using different transport means like car, buses, trains to connect from one place to another. Similarly, plants have their own transport system which carries food, water and minerals in the different parts of the plant. This system is called the vascular system in plants, and it is composed of phloem and xylem, which extend from the tip of the roots to the tip of the leaves. So, xylem and phloem are the two complex plant tissues. As you can see, xylem is used to carry water and minerals upwards, which consist of the four parts Xylem Vessels, tracheids, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. And phloem, it is used to carry food to all parts of the plant, which consist of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. So, we are going to see a little about all these parts of the plant. As we know that xylem is a complex tissue, the xylem vessels are long cylindrical cells joined from end to end to form long tubes, which are mostly made up of lignin. The tracheids are tubular cells but with tapering ends. Their cells are also made with lignin. As you can see in the diagram, the four different parts of the xylem. The xylem fibers are thick cells that provide the mechanical support to the plants. And the xylem parenchyma, which is the only living part of the xylem, they store water, minerals and carbohydrates for the plants. Then we go to the next part, which is the phloem. Now phloem is the food conducting tissue in the plant. Now food is prepared in the leaf, as you all know, by the process of photosynthesis. The food is being carried to all parts of the plant through the help of this complex plant tissue, which is phloem. And as I told you in the beginning, it consists of four parts, which you can also see here in the diagram. Now, the sieve tubes are the elongated tubular cells which are placed end to end like a tube, and they are having end walls with minute pores called the sieve plates. Then we have the companion cells that are located on the sides of the sieve tubes. They also help in the conduction of food material. Phloem parenchyma is storing the food, and the phloem fibers provide mechanical support to the plants. They are mostly made up of sclerenchyma cells. The main function of the phloem is to carry the manufactured food. The phloem parenchyma is the main store place of the food, where the plant stores the food, and the phloem fibers provide the mechanical support. One thing that we need to know here is that the phloem fibers are dead, but all the other parts of the phloem, that is the sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma, are the living elements of the phloem. Now let us discuss the difference between phloem and xylem. As you can see, the phloem and the phylum, the difference between the xylem is that xylem is mostly consisting of the dead cells and the phloem is mostly made of the living cells. Xylem is located towards the inner side of the vascular bundle, and the phloem is mostly towards the outer side of the vascular bundle. And the xylem transports water and minerals from the roots to aerial parts. As we know that the roots are the main parts through which the plant absorbs the water, so it will always be in a downward to upward direction. That is why it is called unidirectional. And the food is prepared in the plants, in the leaves of the plants. It is transported to different directions. So in the phloem, the transport for the food materials will happen from the leaves to other parts of the plant. That is why we are calling it bidirectional. And the other difference being that the four parts of xylem is xylem vessels, fibers, tracheids and xylem parenchyma, and out of which all are dead except xylem parenchyma. And in the phloem, the four parts, that is sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma, only the dead part is phloem fibers. That's all in this video, where we came to learn about the transport system in plants. Please wait next for more videos.